Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online class for 10th standard. So, in this lesson, today we are going to learn about from the sector that is bank transactions, which deals with business studies. So, in that we will come across bank transactions. So, as in this lesson, in bank transactions, we are going to see first of all what is the meaning of bank, characteristics of bank, functions of bank, and services offered by banks, how many types of banks are there, and banking transactions done through banks and post offices, and what is the relationship between banking and customer. So in that we will come across two relationships, that is general relationship and special relationship, and after that we will see about bank account, how many types of bank account we can open, and what is the procedure to open a bank account. So when we open the bank account, what are the advantages we will get through this bank account. So first of all we will see what is the meaning of bank. So here, before this bank which started before 200 years ago. So as we can see, this bank deals with the transaction of money. So where the customers deposit money, and that deposited money will be given to the customers in the name of loan. So as this bank exchanges money into different countries, not only that, the development of any country depends on the efficient banking system of that country. So whereas these banks advance money to all the sectors like agriculture, industries, trades, and all other sectors of the society, which are the main organs for the development of that country. Whereas we can see the growth of that country will depend on the transactions or the exchange of money done for the development of that country. So moving towards the subject, what is bank? So here the term bank is derived. As we can see, the term bank, it is derived from the Italian word banco, or it's a French word banco. Both that means a bench where we can see the exchange of money will done on a table. Not only that, here the banking company, which will be defined or derived as a company which transacts for the business with financial deposits. It also accepts, the bank accepts deposits from the public and lend the same amount in the form of loans. Not only that, here the bank receives money from those who want to save their money in the banks. Not only that, so many laborers are there, officers are there, teachers, all types of professionals are there who will save their money in the banks. So here, not only that, here we can see white money, black money. So here some corrupted people will save their money in the foreign countries like in Switzerland, Swiss bank. So there they'll save this black money in that banks. So or else we can see this bank receives money from those who want to save their money in the form of deposits and lend it to those who require in the form of loans. Not only that, here the bank services are called as banking. So you could have observed when you go to the ATM to withdraw some money. So when you put your ATM card in that bank, means in that ATM, so starting you'll see some 4 columns are given: banking, withdrawal, deposit, like that. So when you press on that banking, so there you will get whether you want to transfer money, whether you want to withdraw money, or whether you want to deposit the money. So here that type of working will be done and it will be called as banking. Not only that, here the bank repays the deposits in the form of checks, drafts, or in the sum of other forms. So that is the meaning of bank. So now moving towards the characteristics. So here this question, it will be asked for 2 or 3 marks. So what are the characteristics of banks? So here characteristics of banks means here this bank which deals with money. So here dealing with money, banks are financial institutions. No other work will be done other than financial transactions which deals only with the money of the public. And the second characteristics, individual, firm or company. So here this bank will run through a person, it's a firm or a company, or the banking company means that institution which deals with the money. Not only that, if you see here third characteristics of banks, here acceptance of deposits. So here this bank will accept some amount as deposit. So here the banks provide security to that deposits, and it will keep safe that amount without giving to some other persons, or if 2 brothers have money with them. So here elder brother wants to save his money. So if he save his money in the bank, so the bank will provide some account number to him, and they will provide some security keys to him. So other than that person, no other person is left to take that amount. So here acceptance of deposits means here banks will provide security to these deposits, and these banks acts as a custodian of the deposits of the public amount. Not only that, if you see the fourth characteristics, lending loans. So if at all in the bank, if you have 10,000, 20,000 as deposit amount, and if you need some urgent amount of 50,000 rupees. So how you can get, as you have deposited only 20,000 in the bank and you need 50,000 to be taken for your necessity. So here what this bank will do is they'll keep your 20,000 and they are going to lend you extra 30,000, making as 50,000 in the form of loan. Not only that, here this lending of loans we can see in some sectors like industrial sectors, agricultural sectors, education, house construction, and for the other purposes also. Not only that, if you see the fifth characteristic of bank, your payment and withdrawal. So whenever you want, you can deposit the money in the bank. So whenever you want, you can withdraw the money through the bank itself. Not only that, if you see sixth characteristics of the bank, agency and utility services. Here the banks will provide various banking facilities to its customers. So maybe it includes general utility services or agency services. So here the general utility means here the person, if he wants to make his work through bank, means here the bank will provide some services through some selected persons, means they have to go house to house and they have to collect some money and they have to pay it back to the bank, so that the persons who are unable to come to the bank, so they can save their amount through these agencies and the services provided by the banks. So not only that, if you see seventh characteristics of bank, profit and service orientation. So here bank is a profit seeking institution having service oriented approach. As you can see, if you want to ask your parents, you can ask. On the ATM services will be applied for fixed deposits, this much of interest will be given. So if you withdraw that amount after 3 or 4 years, so this much of interest will be provided to the depositor. So like this, here the bank will provide profit seeking services to the people. Not only that, and if you observe eighth characteristic of this bank, so ever increasing functions. So here it is not going to be stopped 1 or 2 banks. Here the banks continuously expand and diversify their functions by providing other so many types of services and activities to the people, to the public by providing all types of facilities in the bank. So not only that, moving towards the ninth characteristic, so here banks act as a connecting link between the depositor and the borrower. So not only that, here banks collect a surplus amount of money from the customers and lend that same amount to those who need money. So if you observe, is all are paying only depositing the money in the banks? No, some are depositing and some are applying for loan and some are repaying that amount. So here connecting link between the customer and the depositor, and sometimes depositor and the borrowers, so that they can make their banking transactions honestly. So for example, if I take 1 lakh of loan from any bank, so if I repay it on time to time installments or EMIs, so further that bank will provide better facilities to me to get next type of loan if I didn't pay that amount. So here, as you can see nowadays, CIBIL score is considered. So here, depending on that CIBIL score only, the customer will get the bank loan. Otherwise, it is highly impossible to get the loan in any of the bank. So here, it's the connecting link makes the connection between the depositor and the borrower. Not only that, if you see banking business, 10th characteristics of bank is, so it is the main activity of the bank is to do accepting the deposits from the customers and lending that same amount to those who need money, and it is not a subsidiary to any other business. So here, for example, 100 members are there, so in that 10 members are depositing money monthly, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. So like that, here we can see 10 members, like 3,000 means per month 30,000 will collected. So here other 10 members are waiting to get the loan. So here the person who have deposited the amount, so at present he don't have any necessity. So what he will do, he will deposit the money in the bank. So here other 10 persons who have deposited the money, but they need some amount to be taken as loan for their necessity. Not only that, here the person will get these 10 members amount as lended as loan to these other 10 members, but giving on some instructions that they have to pay that amount on time to time. Not only that, here if that customer pay the amount on time, so further he is going to be benefited with other types of loans also. So here we can see in the characteristics, every bank is having its own name. So like as we have seen in Bellary, if you observe, State Bank of India is there, State Bank of Mysore is there, as all some state banks have all merged into State Bank of India now itself. But before this, it used to be called as on some different names. At present also some corporate banks are there, some nationalized banks are there, some government banks are there. So in that we will come across Canara Bank, Vijaya Bank, Corporation Bank, State Bank of India, State Bank of Mysore. So all these banks, it enables the customers to know their bank. So bank means if you have any bank account means you cannot rush to any bank. So here your account will work towards only particular bank. In that particular bank only your account number will work out. So if you have opened your bank account in Canara Bank and if you want to approach towards Corporation Bank, it doesn't work out there. So here the customer needs particulars about that particular bank. So here all these banks which deals only with the money transactions. Now all the state banks have been merged into State Bank of India. Not only that, if you see here, till now you have known about meaning of the bank, characteristics of the bank. Now moving towards the functions of the banks. So here this one will be for 2 marks and this one will be for 3 marks. Definitely they are going to ask for the board exams. So here moving towards the functions of the banks. So here main function, as I said, these banks will deal with the only with the money transactions. So here accepting the deposits from the public and others. So not only from the public, if any entrepreneur, any businessman wants to save his money, or if he wants to keep his money or jewelry safe, so here he has to keep all that money in the bank. So here this bank accept the deposits from the public and from the others also. So second one, lending money to public in the form of loans and other institutions, not only to the public. If any businessman wants to take some loan through the banks, so regarding that instructions or the rules and regulations of the bank, he has to proceed through that loan, as this bank lend that money not only to the public and to the other institutions also. And not only that, here we can see transferring of money. Third point, transferring of money from one place to another. So as for example, you are studying in other part or other state. So here you need some urgent money. As for example, you went to US or Malaysia, like that. So there you need some amount to be sent to your account. As here in India it is rupee. As if you move towards America it is dollar. So how, if your father send rupees to your account, whether it is going to work out there? No. So there transferring of money from rupee to dollar will be done, and afterwards only it will be transferred to your account. So here transferring of amount will be done from one place to another. So moving towards fourth, collecting money on checks, drafts and bills. So as you can see, some businessmen and any VIPs, so they cannot keep or they cannot maintain amount with them in the banks or suitcases. So here what they'll do, they'll give some checks. As this check, it is related to his account. If that person is having amount in his account, so that check will work out as that person to whoever that check is given, or cross check, some cross check or self checks are there. So if it is given to that person, and that person must have some amount in his account, then only that check will be considered as check leaf, and that collection of money will be done through checks, drafts and bills. Not only that, here fifth point, discounting of bills. So as you can see, if you move towards any shopping mall and any private banks nowadays, they are giving. So if you take any item, for example any phone, laptop, like that, so if you are having a credit card or debit card, so if you do transactions through that cards, you will get 5% of discount on your bills. So like this, here this bank acts as a discount, gives discounting of bills. Not only that, sixth one, hiring safe deposit lockers. So here if you have more money or if you have more jewelry and you want to keep your costliest things in the bank, so here the bank will provide lockers. So as you can keep your precious things in that safe locker and you can maintain the key, so that if it is kept at home, anyone can steal that items and you may get robbed, or sometimes due to some calamities also it may happen that you are going to lose your costliest things. So here to keep your costliest things like gold, diamonds, gems, so like that, here the bank will hire safe deposit lockers to the customers and they will maintain the keys. One will be kept with the bank and second one will be given to the customer. Not only that, moving towards the seventh function, conducting foreign exchange transactions. So as I said, if you want to make transaction of your amount, for example if you take so many foreigners are coming towards Hampi and other heritage centers, so from there they will bring their money to our India. So So here they need some R rupee to be transacted everywhere. So for that what they'll do, they'll go to the bank, they'll give their identity proofs, and they are going to make their amount foreign exchange into R rupee by making foreign exchange transactions. Not only that, keeping valuables in safe custody. So here the bank will keep all the valuables in safe custody, means other than that account holder, no other people will be given chance to open that locker, so that maintaining that valuables in safe custody. Not only that, here if you see, these banks will issue credit cards and guarantee. As you can see, if you want 50,000, 1 lakh, you want to take as a loan. So here the bank will provide in the form of credit card. So whenever you want to do any shopping, or if you want to make moneyless transactions, so here the bank will provide credit cards. As you can see in the ATM cards, credit cards, debit cards are provided only through the banks only. So moving towards the 10th point, conducting government transactions. So here we can see nowadays for corona purpose only, the World Bank has provided much of amount to be sanctioned for the health department, for the pharmacy department, and for other purposes. So here conducting government transactions means from the World Bank here, that transactions will be done through central and state level government by making government transactions through the banks only. Not only that, if you move towards the relationship between the bankers and the customers. So here the relationship between the bankers and the customer falls under two categories. One is general relationship and one is special relationship. So here general relationship means, primary relationship means in between the debitor and the creditor relationship. So here the primary relationship which deals only through debitor means who is taking the money, and the creditor who wants the money in the form of loan, or in Kannada we call it as sala. So here the primary relationship will run towards the debitor and the creditor relationship, whereas the second point, subsidiary relationship means the trustee and the beneficiary relationship. So as this bankers will provide trust, means bank means yes, after keeping all my money in the bank, I am safe, I don't have any tension, maybe any thief will come and rob my money, or anybody will come from my family and they are going to steal my money. No, not like that. So here subsidiary relationship means maintaining trust, and the beneficiary relationship here, whenever we need amount, so it is going to benefit us through some transactions, through loans and other things. Not only that, agent and principal relationship. So here the person which comes towards through the bank will be called as an agent, like LIC agent, depositing agent, withdrawal agent, like that. Here these banks will provide agent and principal relationship for the bank purpose. So not only that, special relationship, obligation to honor checks. So here the bank will provide authority, that authority will be given to the bank manager to honor checks if the person needs heavy amount. So that amount should be transferred from here to there, means only giving through a small check piece, check leaf. So they are going to provide, as you can see in cricket and all. If you see man of the match and for some purposes they'll provide some checks. So in that big check it is written 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs of amount is given to that so and so person for maintaining his match, or making himself to be highlighted in that match. So here honoring that person through check. Not only that, obligation to maintain secrecy of accounts. So here first thing is the bank is not going to give any type of account details to others. So if any other person wants to know about our account details, so here that details will not be given by the bank to any other person other than me or the person who is having the bank account. So moving towards the services provided by the bank. So here services offered by the banks, here the main thing first you have to see is debit and credit cards. As the ATM cards we call it as debit cards, whereas credit cards, so if you want to do online shopping and other things, for that purpose credit cards are given. And personal loans. So as if one product is taken, for example, if any customer take example mobile phones and fridge and other any electronic products which will be provided through EMI facilities. So here this bank will connect that customer through that shop which are maintaining all these types of electrical appliances. So here by providing personal loans to that person who is having already the bank account in that particular account, in that particular bank. So here connecting that customer to that bank, so here that shopkeeper will maintain personal loans which are going to be debited, means the amount will be cut only through that bank on particular date. So for that here personal loans are utilized for the customers. Not only that, home and vehicle loans. So if you want to purchase any vehicle on EMI, means at a time means we don't have money. So for that only some amount will be taken as down payment. So after that here you have to pay on EMI purposes. So here the services provided by the banks to those people who wants to purchase vehicles, and not only vehicles, here we can see home loans are also provided for some categorized people, for example for government government employees or some gazetted or some people those who are maintaining bank transactions very well. Not only that, mutual funds, as nowadays so many cricketers are also giving ad on these mutual funds, means fixing or maintaining our amount by selecting some company shares. So as when we buy those shares, if that shares will get high rate, our amount will also be increased. Not only that, safe deposit lockers will be provided by these banks only, and as this bank acts as a trust service in between the customer and the banker. Not only that, signature guarantees. So what type of signature is done when you open the bank account, that type of signature will be seen or scanned by the bank people, so that they are going to ensure, so they want to make sure that you are the particular person of this property. Not only that, e-banking, electronic banking nowadays we have seen. Before that we used to go to the bank for each and everything. So now it's not like that. So wherever we want we can collect the money only through ATM cards and all. Not only that, here banking transactions, as these banking transactions which are done through banks and post offices. So about this banking transactions, bank and offers offered by the post offices and other banks will discuss in the next class. Thank you.